probably wonder like, how does she get her hair like that? And I used to be that kind of girl, like, yo, how do you get your hair like that? Show me. And there's just not enough people sharing their secrets, so I'm gonna show you mine. I don't know about you, but I'm the type of person that looks at someone's hair and I'm like, yo, tell me your secret. How did you get your hair looking like that? And we're like, oh, you know, like I just washed it. No, I wanna know the details. I wanna know how you get in your hair, what you put, how you put it on, how long you let it in. Like, tell me your secret. So you guys, so it is hair wash day. Now, I have been using these brand new products for the past 7 months and everybody's been asking me what I'm using, how I wash my hair, and as you can tell, I have curly hair and I cannot be washing my hair the way everybody out here washes their hair, and I have found a method that works for me. Don't worry, I got you. I'll tell you how long you have to leave it in your hair. I'll tell you all about it, so you don't have to look to nobody else's video. I got you.
So this is 6 days of not washing my hair. So I'm going to show you what it looks like before from the back. It's still very shiny, but it's time to give it a wash. I shower with warm to hot temperature water. I like to make sure my hair is super drenched with water, and I comb through my hair slightly before putting in my shampoo. The first step is using the black shampoo. I literally grab a dime size and really emulsify it in my hands before putting it on my head. Then I just massage it only in the top half of my scalp up to my ears and really just massage it with my fingertips for about 1 to 2 minutes. So I rinse it out really thoroughly. These products are only 40% water, which means that they are highly concentrated, so a little goes such a long way, but I want to make sure I really get all the product through. I do shampoo 2 times. The second one is the Renew shampoo. Really helps with my oily roots and the dryness of the ends of my hair. So once again, I go through my hair with that towards the ends and the rest of my scalp, really working through it in my ends and my whole head, just form it into a nice lather. Step is my Replenish Masque. I love this mask and it is my holy grail. I dip both of my thumbs and that is literally the amount that you need for your whole head, and I just bring it through my hair using my wet brush. I comb through it and leave it on my hair 3 to 5 minutes. In the meantime, I do my skincare routine as well. Then you rinse that baby out. It feels so good and my hair is so silky after this step. The last and 4th step is my Advanced Hydrating Conditioner. Once again, I use a dime size amount and start with the ends of my hair up to the top of my ears, just so I don't go into the oily roots of mine. I just massage it through, leave it for 1 and 2 minutes, and then I rinse it off and we're ready to do my styling.
So this is what my hair is like as soon as I'm out of the shower. I don't like to apply the products when my hair is like super wet, so I just put it in this while I change. And I go in with the Intense Repair. Just put it on like my hairline, really. Massage it in. And then I have a little bit of like a bald spot here. My hair is still wet, I will go in it with my brush, and there's no tangles. And then I go ahead and make the part. So I usually just part my hair in the middle. That is definitely not the middle. Truthfully, it kind of just falls sometimes. There we go. Okay. So now that I parted it down the middle, I'm gonna go in with my first product, which is my CC cream. So it's a leave-in, and I just put in a little bit, like a dime size amount. I'm gonna go in with my curl cream. Literally put like that much for half of my head, so I'm gonna make sure it's even. And
I make sure to distribute the product all over my hair evenly, and then I go in with a scrunch from the ends up into my roots.
The other side. It's almost done. I've had this for like 3 months. I think I've had it since March. So it's about time that it's done. I scrunch while I still have product in my hand so it doesn't frizz up.
These curls are a work of art, you guys, so keep scrunching, keep building those curls, and use those biceps and get to work. I like to flip my hair over to get to the back of my head and really get that volume going.
I just use a microfiber towel and I just scrunch it some more.
I really love adding in the microfiber towel method because it really helps form those curls, and really getting in with the towel helps dry your hair better.
And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of oil and put it, I'm literally just gonna take a drop of oil, maybe, okay, two drops of oil, and just bring them at the ends of my hair.
This oil is liquid gold. It really hydrates my hair and adds that shine that I need at the end.
So this is what it looks like with all the products in. If I were just wanting to leave it to air dry, this is what I would do, and it would just air dry on its own. But today I'm going to show you my technique on how I diffuse.
I turn it on to the highest and I work through my hair starting at the roots. This is the method that I found best for me. So slowly I apply the heat to my scalp and work through the roots first, and then I go to my ends. You want to make sure you're moving your hair around and you don't keep it in one place, but you can see that I'm still working at the roots, just making sure that they're dry first, and that's how I get the volume at my roots. So keep moving that hair, rotate your head, and just keep it going. This whole thing takes about 15 minutes, I'd say, sometimes less, but you gotta do what you gotta do.
So this is how my hair is fully dry, but I do wanna like give it a little bit more volume here. So I'm gonna put a little bit of the styling clay. I personally like this one, but I literally just put like this much, and I go over my hair just so it doesn't frizz up, like at the bottom. So you don't want to go through your hair without product. And then I'll put a tiny bit of my curl cream. Just to set in those curls. Separate some of them.
Once again, I'm touching my hair because it has product in it. Otherwise, do not touch your hair if you do not have products in your hands. Otherwise, you will make it frizzy and ruin it, you guys. So that's why I still use my curl cream and go through most of my hair at the end.
If your hair has some dryness to it at its ends, a little bit like mine, I just like to put a little bit of Rejuveniqe oil again, just to give it that little bit of shine, you know what I mean? That I just want a little bit more shine and hydration at the end of my hair. So I just put like 2 little drops. And that is how you guys achieve my curly hair look. Cheat codes and all. I hope you like how specific I was with everything. I really want you guys to win in your hair care journey. Let me know if you have any other questions, and I'm gonna go get ready for my day. But this is ideally what my curls look like on my wash day. Isn't frizzy, it isn't hard to the touch, it's just like, it's bouncy.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are ready to start your hair transformation, click the link in the description below and let's get you on the journey to healthy, long, voluminous hair.